Hello student, today I am going to teach you a formula menu part 2. Here I have already told you how to calculate the employee salary calculation. Now, and some formula like minimum, maximum and average, absolute, square root, round, round down, round up, power, count, sum and factorial. As you see the formula in the formula bar, you type in your computer and you will make a sheet and you will get the same answer as I have shown here by using these formulas. And then I told you about the date and time, that is today date. When you say today, then it will give you a today's date, and then date, when you set the date, then it will give you a date which you set. Then day will extract the number of the day, month will extract the number of the month, and year will extract the find the number of the year. Then now will give you a current date, and then time will give you a what you set in the in your formula. It will give a time according to it, and then hour will give you a hour, then minute will give you 55 minute as I have set, and then second will give you a 50 second as I have set in my watch. Then text formula means you want to extract something from the word or from the text, or suppose you want to extract and from the Anjali, then you will get and by using Anjali comma 2. That means from left you are extracting and. Then right. From right Anjali you will get formula by extracting it to get Ali. From right you get Ali. Then mid. From mid Anjali you will get the Jal. From third position to 3 character you are extracting from Anjali and you will get the Jal. From third position is J and 3 character, then JAL. Then code. When you find out the code of the name Sandeep, then it will give you the 83 of S. ASCII character of S. Same way you can convert 83 into the character by using character command 83. Then you will get S. Reverse. Then upper. Any word you want to write in uppercase, then you write upper, and the word which you want to make in uppercase. Then lower. Whatever you have written in a capital letter, you convert it using the lower command. Then len. Len means you are counting the character in the word or in a text. Then concatenation. Concatenation means you are adding one or two or more words to each other. So when you write A4 is Aradhya and A5 is Anjali, and in middle I have taken a space, so it will add 3 strings and make it Aradhya Anjali. Then proper. If you write any word and you forget to write first character capital, then you write proper, then you will get the A capital in Amit. Repeat means you want to repeat a single character in a several times. Here I have given a 10. Now suppose you give a 15, then it will give 15 character repeated. then find. If any word you want to find between the table, then you write that word and the position B4 comma 1. Then you find that in a text. Then search. Search means you have to find out the special characters between the word. In Shashank there is a 2 SH. So I have written A9 SH. Find out SH from Shashank from fourth character. So it will start from fourth character and give the search position 4. Now logical formula. Logical means there are two conditions, either true or either false. If you say if D4 is this one greater than 90, then give 1, otherwise you give false. 0. 1 means true and 0 means false. So it will give you 1 because D4 is greater than 90. Then and means though two conditions are together true. Here I have written D4 greater than 90 and A4 greater than 10. So it will give you a true because both conditions are true. For or means a single any condition is true. Here D4 is 100 and E4 is 200. So only the D4 equals to 100 is true. So it will give you true. Suppose here you write 200. Then also it will give you true because both the conditions are true, but the or can take both condition true, but it will give you true. Now text formula. Text formula can be used for the date also. You have given there today's date and want date. Extract the date number. So here you have to write the text and the date position and then comma DD. Then it will give you a 03. When you say date and comma mm, then it will give you month. Same way year and same way when you write the K18 and D4 times, then it will give you a whole day name. When you write 3 times, then it will give you 3 characters. Same way in the month, if you write 3 characters, then it will give you 3 characters. This way I have told you whole things, most of the function, maths, date, tax, logical, financial is not in your course, and auto sum already I have told you in the worksheet. Now left is lookup and reference. So go on lookup and reference. Here you will get lookup, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP and match. Lookup means VLOOKUP means you looking the things in vertically, and HLOOKUP means you are looking the thing horizontally. Here you have written you want to search the dealer 2 in East 400 by using VLOOKUP. So here write the formula VLOOKUP where you have to find out from A3 which you have to find out dealer 2. Dealer 2 is written in a A3. Then in which array you have to find, you choose this one A8 to E11. You have to choose this one. Then or what position, on what column. So it is a 3. Dealer 2 is 1, 2, 3. So write 3 and 0 is for exact what you want true. So when you press this, you will get 400. Where? From East I have told east. Look at here. I have told A3, then A8 to A11, and then 3, position 3 and 0. Exact match 0. Then it will give you a 400 of east, because here east written east. Then look up. When you say look up, then A4 in dealer 2, third position se bola tha, then it is a east, so it will match 400. Then dealer 2 look up, in look up A4, dealer 2 written in A4, and it is a north, and you have to find it A4 to A8, A4 to A8 to A11. You have to find out, look up in A8 to A11. Then where you have to find out, in north, so it is a B8 to B11. When you say this, then it will get you on third position, that is 300. Dealer 2 where you will get in north, in dealer 2 300. Then horizontal lookup, H lookup, here you write B5, B5 is a dealer 2, B5, B5 is a west, B5, because horizontally you want B5, then A8 to A11, you want to find out dealer, A8 to A11, then on which position, that is in 3, dealer 2 in 3, and false. False means exact what you have to find out. Then press enter. Then in west there is a 500 in front of dealer 2. Then make it easy by using the match command. Once you write, suppose once you write VLOOKUP, here on position of 3 column you can write match B3, B3 is your east, and then where you have to find out A8 to E8, से find out करना है east को, A8 to E8, then 0, then it will change it into 400. Suppose you have changed it into the south, then look at here. Once you change this, okay, first of all understand the match from this place. Here match means you want to match exact what you want. B3 is dealer 2, where you have to find out from A8 to E8. 0. Then you will get 3 in position 3. If we tell the exact position of match, B3 is your east, and you have to find it into A8 to E8. Now, in this menu, I have written a serial number and name. Then you have to find out the Rajat. Then I have written M index, find out the index of Rajat. So I have written M3, M3 is Rohit. I choose whole this table from this place to this place. Because I have to find out the Rajat from this table. So here first is the array, then row number. Here row number is Rajat is on 6th row and in second column. When you give it, then it will give the Rajat from your array. Again understand, index, select whole table, then give row 6 and column 2, then it will give you an index of Rajat. Then match, you want to match exactly Rohit. Rohit in column N3 to N9, and 0 is for exact position. So it will give you a third position because Rohit is on the third position. This way you can use match and lookup, VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. In match, match can be used in VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP but not in lookup. So always use VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. Here match B3, it will give you a 5. Look at here. When you convert the south, it will give you a 5 position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And change the value according to it. Just try it in your home and get the proper result for it. Learn all the formulas. I have finished today the formula menu. Tomorrow I will tell you another menu, and These are very advanced features which are not in your course, but if you want, you request me or you can inquire me, then I will tell you. Okay students, write all formula in your copy one by one, pressing my sheet, and you will get the formula right in your copy and learn it properly so you can cope it with the exam. Thank you, and subscribe my channel to get all the videos which I have uploaded on YouTube, and wish you best to learn all these things for the exam.